What's up, boys and girls? Today's the day that I said that you guys were going to do Time to Climb. Or shall I say, Time to Climb! You're going to like it. The first thing that you do is you choose a character. You scroll around and find somebody that you like. I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the very end because there's a little girl with a headband, like an 80s chick, that I like, so I'm going to call her Mabel. Let's call her Maybelline. Then you hit start at the bottom. And it turns on like this. Your first question says, did you wake up this morning? Well, of course you did, so you need to say yes. This is actually just to show you how this goes. That little white bear is going to come out and blow his horn, and you're going to get to climb the mountain because you are a genius. Now I'm going to make this go in slow motion for a little bit. This question says, does the word tempo mean the speed of the beat of a song? Well, of course it does. That's what it means. But instead I'm going to choose, no, it means it's raining cats and dogs. And when you click it and you're wrong, it says, oh, snap. And the little bear doesn't come out and blow his whistle, okay? And then it tells you which one it is, which one is correct. But you do get to climb anyway. The most fun part about Time to Climb is being able to do it as a group. And there's, competition as to who can answer the fastest and who can reach the top quickest. That's the whole cool part about Time to Climb. Of course, it's fun to climb by yourself too, but doing it as a group is really fun. I hope we get to do that pretty soon, and I miss y'all. Hope you're having a great day. I didn't answer that last question. It's your turn.